Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a little different. You will not be seeing me the rest of the presentation. What I am going to do is going to go ahead and continue talking to you about logic. Now, you'll notice I have a split screen going here. One is because we're going to be dealing with truth value statements and logic. Now, you say, how is that math? Well, actually, math is all based around logic. And so what we need is we need an agreed upon system of logic so that when we start applying this to polygons and triangles and angles and things like that, we can all speak the same language. Now, logic by itself is its own topic. And you'll notice in your book over here, you have a number of vocabulary statements. Now, in the previous chapter, I had you write all those down in preparation for a test at the end of the chapter. Here, I think we're going to try something a little bit differently as we go through the chapter. You will have vocabulary lists to do for every single section. That is my goal. We'll see how well that holds up. But until further notice, you are to copy the vocabulary words and make sure those definitions are done, and I can ask for those any day that we have this process. You are also to write the vocabulary words on a separate sheet of paper. That separate sheet of paper is so that you can collect all these, keep all of them in a binder, so that way you can have at the end of the chapter. In fact, you're going to keep them for every chapter. So that is what we're going to do for vocabulary. Your job is going to be to either copy this page as you see here that I post, and or write down all these words in your own geometry notebook. You must have it done by hand. You may not type it. It must be handwritten, 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 handwritten. Do not type it because obviously for typing you can cheat. However, to get the definitions, by all means, use your book, use Google, use whatever you wish. So starting there, you have this page, you have this page. I will post those up on Canvas.